Your Mac just lost a file, or worse, your whole drive. Maybe an external one stopped mounting. Maybe this utility threw an error you don't understand. Maybe you formatted the wrong thing. And now you're searching best data recovery software for Mac and getting hit with about 40 different options, half of which look like they were built in 2009 and the other half want your card details before they even tell you if your files are recoverable. So I've cut through it. 5 Mac data recovery tools that actually work in 2026. What each one's best at, where they fall short, and the one I'd reach for first. So number 1, Stellar Data Recovery Professional for Mac. This is the one I'd point you to first. Here's why. When you're picking data recovery software, you're not after the flashiest interface, you're after something reliable. Something that's been doing this long enough that you trust it with files you can't replace. And Stellar's been doing exactly that for over 30 years. Macworld calls it the best for complicated recoveries. TechRadar rates it as one of the best data recovery tools they've used. That's not marketing fluff. Those are independent reviews from people who actually test this software for a living. The workflow is genuinely 3 steps, right? You pick the type of file you're trying to recover, whether it's photos, videos, documents, audio, the lot. Then you pick the drive you've lost data from. Internal Mac drive, external drive, SD card, USB, time machine. It covers everything. And then it scans. You can run a quick scan for recent deletions or a deep scan for formatted drives or anything older. Same workflow whether you're recovering one photo or rebuilding an entire crashed drive. And what sets it apart from the cheaper tools is what it can actually handle. And there are 4 features in particular that earn at the top spot. First, it recovers from crashed or non-booting Macs. If your Mac won't even start up, the grey screen of death, kernel panics, it won't get past the Apple logo. Stellar can still get your files back. You don't need an external boot drive. You don't need to take it to a repair shop. It works in recovery mode. Second, APFS, HFS+, NTFS, exFAT, every Mac file system format. So whether it's a time machine backup drive, an external you've used on Windows, or a freshly formatted APFS volume, the deep scan goes through. Third, disk imaging. This is the one most people miss. If you've got a drive with bad sectors, a drive that's failing, running normal recovery on it can actually make things worse. Stellar can create a sector-by-sector image of the failing drive first, then recover from the image. That way, you're not putting any more strain on a drive that's already on the way out. And then fourth, it has drive health monitoring. So it tracks smart attributes, right? Temperature, performance, so you actually know when a drive's about to fail before it does. Most data recovery software is reactive. Stellar's also preventative. And the small stuff that makes it pleasant to use day to day, pause and resume scans. So if a deep scan is going to take 3 hours, you can pause it and come back. Preview files before you recover so you know what you're getting. Custom file type filters so you're not wading through every file on the drive. So if I had to pick one Mac data recovery tool to put on a machine and forget about until I needed it, this is probably the one. It's not the loudest, it's not the trendiest, but it's been doing the job for 30 years and the reviews back it up. The link is in the description if you want to test it. There's a free trial that lets you scan and preview your data before you commit to anything. Number 2 is Wondershare Recoverit. It's the best for media files specifically. If your main concern is photos and videos, wedding footage, drone footage, photography work, anything you've shot that you can't reshoot, Recoverit's got particularly strong recovery rates for media formats. Raw camera files, high bit videos and less common image formats, it handles them well. The interface is clean, right? The previews are properly rendered so you can see exactly what you're recovering before you commit. And there's a free version that lets you scan and see what's recoverable before paying. The trade-off for general document and system and recovery, it's solid but not exceptional. If your loss isn't media heavy, Stellar's the more rounded option. But for creators and photographers specifically, Recoverit is a fair shout. Number 3 is Disk Drill, made by Clever Files. So it's best for raw recovery rate. When independent tests run side by side, benchmarks of data recovery tools, Disk Drill consistently comes out near the top. On raw percentage of files recovered, the scanning algorithm is genuinely strong. it's also got some clever extras, built-in data protection that monitors your drives in the background and creates recovery vaults. So if you delete something, it's covered before you've even noticed. The catch, the free tier on Mac doesn't actually recover anything. You can scan and preview, but recovery requires the paid license. Some users find that frustrating compared to tools that give you a small free recovery allowance. And the interface, it's clean, but it nudges you towards the paid features fairly aggressively. It's not a deal breaker, just something to be aware of going in. Number 4 is EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard for Mac, the easiest one to use by a fair margin. Right? If you don't want to think about settings, deep scans versus quick scans, file type filters, EaseUS hides most of that behind a stripped back interface. You point it at a drive, hit scan, get a list of recoverable files. 3 buttons total, basically. That simplicity comes at a cost though. You've got less control. Power users will find it limiting if you want to customize a scan or target specific file signatures. And on tougher recoveries, heavily damaged drives, complicated file system corruption, it can fall short of more capable tools like Stellar or Distrill. But if you just need to get a deleted file back and you don't want to learn anything to do it, this is the one to grab. Particularly good for first-time recovery, where you're already stressed and you don't want the software adding to it. Number 5 is RStudio for Mac, the advanced one. Built for technicians, for, forensics work and recoveries that would make most software give up. RStudio supports RAID construction, custom file signature definitions, hex level editing, network recovery across machines. Features the other tools on this list either don't have or hide somewhere advanced users have to dig for. The interface reflects that. It looks more like a piece of disk utility software from the early 2010s than a modern app, and there's a real learning curve. If you've never recovered data before, opening RStudio cold is going to be intimidating. But if you know what you're doing, if you're an IT pro, a forensics analyst, as SYC admin handling a complicated server recovery, RStudio is one of the most capable tools you can buy, just not the one for someone whose main problem is a deleted holiday photo. Right, so quick recap of the 5. Stellar, best overall. The one I'd pick for almost any Mac recovery scenario, especially complicated ones. Recoverit, best for media files. Strong choice if you're a photographer or a videographer. Distrill, highest raw recovery rate, but no free recovery on Mac. EaseUS is the easiest to use, the friendliest option for first-timers. RStudio is the most advanced, for technicians and complex cases, not casual users. So to pull it back together, Stellar wins the top spot because it's the most rounded. Recoverit's better for one specific use case. Distrill's better for raw recovery rate, but locks recovery behind a paywall from the off. EaseUS is easier but less capable. RStudio is more powerful but harder to use. Stellar's the one that does all of those things at the level most people would actually use. So Crash Macs, formatted drives, SSDs, external drives, SD cards, every common Mac file system. 30 years of building one piece of software well, and it shows. So the link to Stellar is in the description. There's a free trial that scans and previews your data before you commit to anything, so you can see if your files are even recoverable before paying for a license. Quick note, if you're on Windows rather than Mac, Stellar's got a free Windows version too, with up to 1 GB of free recovery, no license needed. Link to that is also in the description alongside the Mac one. If this saved you a panic or stopped you wasting money on the wrong tool, hit subscribe. Catch you in the next one.